Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY fidget. Oh, okay, so yeah, let's get started. So you're going to need a small cup or container. I'm using the bottom of an Easter egg because I don't really have any small containers. And you're going to need a rubber band, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use a hair tie. And then, you're going to need a balloon and some scissors and slime or putty. So first you're going to get some putty. I have this putty. And grab some that can fit in your container. But make sure it's a little bit over, so I'll show you. So you're gonna put your putty in the container just like that, but you are gonna want the putty to be a little bit over the container. So let me get a little bit more. So just like that. And then you're gonna have to get your balloon and scissors, and you're gonna cut it right here. Okay, now this might be a little bit confusing, but you are going to open your balloon and put it over the container. So this might take a while. My birthday party's today, so that's why I'm themed Harry Potter. The guests aren't here yet, so I just wanted to do a quick little video. Okay, sorry guys, it is taking a while. You can skip through it if you want. Okay, so you got it in your container. Then you're gonna take your so you're gonna kind of twist it once. Like you're gonna grab it, then twist it, and then I'll be right back, guys. You're gonna need a hair tie, or a rubber band to tie it. And boom, there's their own DIY fidget. Bye!